Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so fixes won't chase symptoms. First, open PowerShell as admin and run WSL list verbose to confirm WSL2 is running. This matters because Docker Desktop depends on the WSL2 backend. Once done, close Docker Desktop entirely and note its version. Compatibility mismatches often cause the error. Make sure the default WSL distro is set to the one Docker should use. If not, change it now with WSL set default version 2 and pick the distro explicitly. Now you perform the core remediation. Export any critical images or volumes so you can restore state. Once backed up, run WSL shutdown to stop all subsystems, then inspect the specific distro with WSL list verbose. If it's corrupted, unregister only that distro after export using WSL unregister distro. After a clean restart of WSL, open Docker Desktop. Go to Settings, right arrow Resources, right arrow WSL Integration, and re-enable integration for the desired distro. Finish by restarting Docker Desktop and then rebooting Windows to ensure services and kernel modules reinitialize. Make sure Docker info shows WSL2 as the backend and that the target distro is running. Re-import any saved images or containers, then test with Docker run Hello World and a quick Docker Compose up to confirm functionality. If something still fails, inspect Docker logs in %appdata%bec/docker and the Windows Event Viewer for errors. That log detail usually points to the remaining misconfiguration or permission issue to fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.